Hello from Menchie Music Service. If your child just started saxophone, here's how to help them take care of it. Open the case flat and gently. Saxophones come in pieces: the body, the neck, and the mouthpiece. Put on the neck strap first to make assembly easier. Handle the saxophone by the body or neck strap ring, never hold it by the keys. Hook the neck strap onto the neck strap ring. The neck fits into the body like so. Don't over-tighten. A snug fit is all that's needed. The mouthpiece slides onto the neck cork. If you're having trouble, don't force it. Apply a small amount of cork grease to help things fit together more easily. The reed goes flat side down, lined up with the tip of the mouthpiece. A little gap is okay. Tighten the ligature to hold it in place. It shouldn't wiggle. When you're done playing, take it apart and use a swab to clean out moisture from inside the body. Reeds come off and go in a reed case, not left on the mouthpiece. Here's the swab. Drop the loose end of the string into the neck end of the saxophone body. Pull it out through the bell. Give the swab a firm pull through the entire saxophone. That's it. Return everything to its place in the case and latch it up. Happy playing!